Today, we are making something crispy on the outside and full of savory bulgogi flavor on the inside. Crispy bulgogi rice paper. They are super easy to make and perfect for lunch, a snack, or even a party appetizer. Chop 2 green onions into small pieces. If you have a red bell pepper, dice it into small pieces. It adds great color and a nice crunch. Now let's make the bulgogi filling. In a bowl, add a ground beef, then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a little bit of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of starch. If you are in a hurry, store-bought bulgogi marinade works too. But if you can, try making it at home. It's simple and tastes amazing. Dip the rice paper in cold water for about 1 second, then place it on a cutting board or plate. Add a spoonful of the marinated beef onto the center and spread it out thinly. This helps the meat cook quickly and evenly. If you like cheese, feel free to sprinkle a bit on top. Then add a few pieces of red bell pepper and green onions for extra flavor and color. Fold the rice paper in half and press it down gently to press. Make sure the edges are sealed well so nothing falls apart while cooking. If you are not a fan of veggies, you can skip them and just use the bulgogi filling. Just remember to press the filling nice and thin and seal the edges. Now heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the bulgogi rice paper in the pan and cook them slowly over medium-low heat. Flip once in the middle and cook until both sides are golden and crispy. Once they are done, plate them up and they are ready to serve. Crispy and flavorful bulgogi rice paper is done. It looks so juicy. So crispy and savory. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.